I love donuts. Can't help it, I love them. Donuts are my absolute favorite. But I'm going on a no 30 days sugar challenge from tomorrow, which is the worst part. But that's why I'm eating another donut now. I'm just trying to eat as many donuts as I can today, so I can just not eat anything for the next 30 days, which is not a very good thing, honestly, but we're doing it. We're just doing it. Hello and welcome to another day in my life. So today is a Saturday and my college thankfully gave me a holiday. I honestly crave for holidays now because of the whole lockdown and the pandemic situation. It's become 6 days a week college, and needless to say I don't enjoy it very much, but I'm glad I have a holiday today because I have a lot of work to do. There's a lot of work to do for college, for work, for every single thing. So I'm super glad about the holiday today, and I decided that I would take you along my day because you guys seem to really enjoy these videos, right? So the first thing I like to do when I have super busy days is to really write down what exactly needs to be done. That kind of helps me set the base for the whole day and understand how much time I can give for each work, what can be done today, tomorrow, and maybe later as well, and all of that. So the first thing that I tend to do on a busy day is make my to-do list. So one thing that you should absolutely do on a busy day is to make a to-do list, and all you need to do is to brain dump all the tasks that you have. No matter how small it is, no matter how big it is, putting it down on paper will help you calm down and plan your day better in order to achieve everything you want to. Alright, so I'm done writing down my to-do list, and there aren't a lot of things on the to-do list. There are just 5 things, but each of the things on this to-do list is something that will take hours together. Everything's super important, and they're huge pieces of work as well. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is filming a plan with me video, and the next thing after that I'm going to be doing is my mini project for college, and then I have another assignment that I need to submit in college today, and I also have a report that I have to submit in 2 days. So I have like 3 things that I need to do for college, and these are like super important and urgent as well. And then I also have to create module PPTs for my coaching program. So I do have only 5 things, but all these 5 things are huge things. But along with this, I wanted to do a couple of things like digital decluttering and setting a couple of goals for myself and all of that. So yeah, this is how our day is gonna look. It's gonna look super busy. So let's get started right away. First, I started off by setting up all my lighting setup that I needed for the Plan With Me video. And the lighting setup is not very easy because I'm still figuring it out and I'm very new to all of this. Alright, so I'm done with one part of the Plan With Me. I'm done with planning my month, and now I have to sit down and film the talking part of it where I take you through how I plan my month, what my goals are, what I'm reflecting on, and all of that part. So now I have to completely change my camera setup. So right now, the camera setup I used is this light here for my desk, but now my setup has to completely change because I'm going to be sitting here. So the lights have to come here along with the tripod. So that has to change a bit. So I have to really start with setting up all the equipment, and only then can I sit down and film. And then I started working on the other lighting setup. Now this setup is a little harder than the previous one because my room has limited space and I just have to squeeze myself between the lights to set us all up. So it wasn't very easy, needless to say. And it was kind of the first time that I was doing this lighting setup in this certain place. So it was a tad bit difficult, but at the end of it, I got through and I did it as well. And once I was done with that, I started off by getting ready. So my filming getting ready does not involve a lot. I just cleanse my skin with a rose water, and then I apply a moisturizer, and then I struggle a bit with eyeliner. And once I'm done with all of that, I start filming as well, which takes a lot of time. Filming takes me at least 2 hours right now, but I'm trying to get faster at it. Okay, so it's almost 4 o'clock and I just got done with filming the Plan With Me video. You can even see the light set up in the background, but I just got one thing done out of the 5 things that I had on my list, and my math assignment is on a priority because it needs to be submitted today. I cannot just submit it tomorrow, it has to be submitted today. So that's a priority. But before I sit down to do my math assignment, I'm going to be going out to grab some ingredients to make donuts. So ever since my grandparents came, I told them I'll be making donuts for them, but I just did not make them thanks to the lazy me. But they are leaving tomorrow, and before they're leaving, I really want to make donuts and have them eat it. So I'm going to be going out grabbing some donut supplies, and then I'll come back and then I'll do my math assignment. I'm back and it literally took me around 3 to 4 minutes to just go grab it and come back. I just needed two things, chocolate and choco chips, and I just got both of them and came back. And then I got started with making the donuts. Now making donuts is actually super easy. It's not very difficult once you get the hang of it. I'll actually give you guys a link in the description, and this link is the exact recipe that I used to make my donuts, and it works perfectly. So you should be able to make these donuts perfectly as well. And it's just super easy. I love making it because of how easy it is, and it's just super fun to bake it with my mom and my sister as well. This is kind of the time when we spend together, and this is when we kind of have a lot of fun as well. And in a couple of seconds, you get to hear exactly why I love making donuts and I don't really make anything else. So donuts is basically like the only thing I can make properly in terms of sweets. The first time I made a cake, I pretty much burnt it, and then the second time I made it, it became a biscuit. And so I took like a baking class where I learned how to bake breads and strombolis and all sorts of fancy stuff, out of which I only remember how to bake a donut because it's the most fun and it's most tasty as well because you have chocolate, and I am open to having anything that has chocolate in it. So the conclusion of the story is donuts is the only thing I like cooking or even baking, and the rest of it, it's not my cup of tea. I am just not good with cakes and everything. I end up burning all of them for some reason, so I'm not even gonna go ahead and cook any of them. So once you're done putting all the ingredients in the bowl, all you have to do is knead the dough like you would do normally. So basically the dough is kneaded, and once you knead it, you have to like kind of bunch it to the bottom, basically like make it like a proper ball. The way you figure out if the dough is completely kneaded is like by patting it. So when you pat it, if it feels like a baby's bum, it means like the dough is properly kneaded. That's basically what I learned. And after kneading it, you just like put some oil all around it, and then you kind of put it into one container like this and let it like puff up for a couple of minutes. So because of the yeast, it kind of puffs up. So basically while the dough is puffing up there because of the yeast, I put the chocolate to temper. So it's important for the chocolate to temper because we need to take the donut and like dip it into the chocolate glaze, because otherwise the donut just tastes like bread. There's nothing new about a donut except for the chocolate that's on the top. That's basically what my mom keeps saying. And the chocolate tempering, it kind of takes a little bit of while. It doesn't happen very quickly, so that puffing up will take like around 15 minutes, and this tempering will take around 25 minutes. So once that's puffed up and we start cutting the circles out of it, by the time we're done frying the donuts, this will be ready. That's the plan. Alright, so I put the donut stuff for setting, I put the donut dough for setting, and now I'm sitting to do my math assignment because I need to submit it today. And I've just been doing things last minute these days. I'm just doing everything in the last minute, but I need to really start doing things ahead of the deadlines and not just like leave it for the last minute. But yeah, for today it's all last minute stuff. I'm finishing up my math assignment now, and by the time I finish up my math assignment, the donut dough should have been puffed, and my sister will also start cutting it. So usually I'm the one who does all the mixing, and once the donut dough puffs up, my sister starts cutting those circles and like the mini circles in the center. So she does that, and then I go back again and I start frying them, and then she dips them. So that's how we divide work when it comes to donuts. So hopefully by the time she's done, I'm done with my assignment as well, and I'll have to work on my mini project as well as my the other assignment that I have, which is like a report that I need to write. So I'll have to work on them, which I'll probably be doing tomorrow, and I probably won't film anymore tomorrow because I've already spent a huge chunk of time filming today, and filming tomorrow again will like waste a lot of my time. So that's basically what I'm doing. I also have 2 coaching calls tomorrow, so I need to create the PPT for that. That reminds me, gosh, I have so much work. So bye bye, I'm out of here now. So my sister basically cuts the donuts like this, and then I fry it in the oil.
I am vlogging. Can I come nearby?
Perta.
I'm coming in. So the next video is gonna be about who knows me better. So obviously the sister will win.
Is it recording? It's not recording. I'll put it all you way.
So So we are vlogging here making donuts. So this is Miss Sunita. Okay, so Sunita Mandava, you didn't say hi.
Hello, you guys see me every single week.
But this is my vlog, not hers. So I'm gonna delete it. Oh, hi guys, I am Dippy.
Dip it properly. Dip it properly. Look at that. Dip it properly. This is how you dip a donut.
Ooh, really? I
Yes.
never knew it. So I dip it like this, get it out, and you move it here. Ta-ta-ta! I am sprinkling. Choco chipping.
ఎలా ఉందో చెప్పాలి మీరు.
అది బాగుందని చెప్పాలి.
బాగుందని కాదు, బాగోపోతే బాగాలేదని చెప్పండి. ఏం వెళ్ళదు, పెట్టను. తినండి. బాగుందా?
నచ్చిందిలే.
నీకు పెడదా మాకు.
ఉడకలేది?
ఇంకా చేస్తుంది, ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా 20 ఉన్నాయి.
వద్దే ఎందుకు కొంచెమే చేస్తా.
ఆహా, అలా అది మినిమం అమౌంట్, అంతకన్నా తక్కువ రావు. బాగున్నాయా? అబ్బా చూడు రియాక్షన్.
నిజమే
నిజంగా అంత బాగుందా?
బాగానే ఉంది. పైది దీనికి కలిసేటోడు కూర్చో.
Alright, so the donuts turned out great. My grandparents absolutely loved them, and I'm done with dinner. I'm done spending some time with my family. It's almost 9:30 right now. I'm still here with a donut in my hand to eat, but I also have a lot of work that needs to be done, and I don't want to keep all this work for tomorrow because number one, my grandparents are leaving tomorrow, so I want to spend a bit of time with them, and number two, there's a lot of work. I'm scared I won't be able to finish it tomorrow, so I'm thinking of staying up for a while and finishing up some work today so that tomorrow I'm not in a rush and I'm not finishing things last moment. So I haven't started on my mini project. I haven't started on my report that I'm supposed to write. I haven't done any of that, but I did start working on the module PPT for my coaching program, which is a good part, but there's still a lot to do. It isn't just over, there is a lot to do. So I am going to go ahead and try finish up as much as I can right now, and then I'll be sleeping in maybe another hour, and then tomorrow morning I'll have to continue with all the work. But there's also a lot more other stuff I need to do before going to sleep. I have to really clean up all this equipment setup that I have. It's all over my room. I just have no space to work because equipment's all over the place, and these lights take up significantly a lot of place. So that is another thing I really have to focus on as well today. I'll have to really put all these into the box and then make more space in my room. But yeah, this is how my day has been. It's been quite productive. I loved how I made donuts. I love how I could show you how I made donuts and all of that. But I'm super happy with the way my day turned out. It was quite productive. It was fun as well. There's still a lot of work I'm going to be doing. But this is it for today's vlog. I'm absolutely enjoying making vlogs these days. But the downside to it is I'm not good at vlogging because I just keep forgetting to vlog for some reason. I am not very comfortable with carrying my camera around everywhere. And let's just say I'm not the best at vlogging at all at this point of time at least. But yeah, I enjoyed creating this vlog just so much. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to see more vlogs like this. I would absolutely love to show them to you. And with that, I'm gonna be seeing you super soon. Until then, bye bye. I love donuts. Can't help it, I love them. Donuts are my absolute favorite. But I'm going on a no 30 days sugar challenge from tomorrow, which is the worst part. But that's why I'm eating another donut now. I'm just trying to eat as many donuts as I can today, so I can just not eat anything for the next 30 days, which is not a very good thing honestly, but we're doing it. We're just doing it.